Guys, welcome to my cooking show. Today I'll be showing you how to make American KFC chicken into Jamaican barbecue KFC chicken. This chicken is already pre-cooked. I'm just gonna make it my way. This is something I've been doing for years and I decided to share it with you guys. Now, here you'll see me placing my chicken on a baking sheet. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Make sure your oven is at the correct temperature before you put your chicken in. Let your chicken cook for 15 minutes. It's already cooked, but for me it's underdone, so I want mine to be fully cooked, so I'm putting it back in the oven to cook for an extra 10 to 15 minutes. Now, after your chicken is placed in the oven, don't cover your chicken, guys. Just leave it like this. Let it bake. If you see your chicken is getting too dark, that means your heat is too high because it's already pre-cooked. Go ahead and turn your oven down. Now here I'm going to show you my chicken, what it looks like in the oven. That's it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and make my barbecue sauce on my chicken. Here's my bowl where I'm going to show you what I'm adding to make my barbecue sauce. I already had a recipe up with my barbecue sauce, so if you don't fully understand what I'm doing here, you can go ahead and check out my recipe for my barbecue sauce on my channel. Now here I just add half cup of ketchup. Now I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of molasses, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1/2 tablespoon of honey mustard, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, and if you want you can add more honey to yours. Honey gives it a great taste. One tablespoon, sorry, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Now here I'm stirring. Then now I'm adding half tablespoon, half teaspoon of chili powder. I will also put ingredients in the description for the barbecue sauce, but you don't have to use homemade barbecue sauce. You can go ahead and get a store-bought barbecue sauce of your choice and use it. Now here I'm just stirring to combine all my ingredients together and make sure there's no sugar. Guys, this smells so good. I mean, why buy bought when you have everything at home in your pantry to make a good barbecue sauce? Go ahead, make it at home. You can't go wrong with your own ingredients. Now I'm just stirring this. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take my chicken out the oven. Then I'm gonna coat my chicken with this barbecue sauce. Here I take my chicken out the oven. You see the difference with the chicken when you put it back in the oven? Now that's well done. That's how I like my chicken. It's well done right here, guys. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put my barbecue sauce on the chicken. Right here I'm putting my barbecue sauce on the chicken. Guys, this is smelling so good. I'm sorry you guys are not able to taste this, like, oh my god. Now just look at that. I promise you, get your KFC chicken, make your homemade barbecue sauce, follow my step-by-step method, and I promise you, it's gonna taste just like Jamaican barbecue KFC chicken. You won't find barbecue KFC chicken in America. So make it at home. I've been doing this recipe for so long and I love it. I am so in love with this. Oh my god. Mm-mm-mm. Look at that chicken. Look at that chicken. Now I'm just gonna finish coating this chicken, put it back in the oven. Also, please lower the temperature of your oven to 250 degrees. You don't want it to burn because it's already cooked through and the sauce is on it now. So you don't want to put it in that high temperature. And if you're going to use the same temperature, do it for less, cook it, give it a less cooking time, like 5 minutes. but I'm gonna put it back in for 10 minutes. Now here I'm showing you what my chicken looks like in the oven. It's complete. I'm going to go ahead and take it out. Here is my end product, guys. Look at that beauty. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.